Hello, my dear friends. Today, I want to share my story. It is about my family and my English learning. Please listen and enjoy. I live with my parents. Our family is small, but we are very happy. My father, my mother, and I love each other. My father works very hard. He goes to work every day. He helps many people. He always smiles when he comes home. At night, he tells me stories. His stories teach me to be honest and kind. His words give me strength and hope. I feel safe when I listen to him. My mother is very kind. She cooks delicious food. She keeps our home clean and warm. She helps me with my homework. She sings English songs. Her voice is soft and sweet. Sometimes I sing with her. We laugh when I forget the words. My parents support my study. They buy me books and notebooks. They check my progress. They say, "Read every day." They believe in me. Their love makes me study harder. I go to a school in my town. It is not very big, but it is clean and beautiful. The teachers are friendly. There is a playground and many classrooms. I feel happy when I go to school. On sunny days, we play football. We run, jump, and shout with joy. On rainy days, we read books in the library. The library is quiet and peaceful. I love the smell of new books. I have many friends. We study and play together. We share ideas and help each other. My best friend is Rafi. We share our tiffin and laugh together. He is funny and smart. We also practice English. Sometimes we try to speak without stopping. It is fun. We learn from each other. My teachers are kind. They explain lessons clearly. My favorite teacher is my English teacher. He says, "English is easy. Use simple words. Speak every day." His lessons are interesting. I always enjoy his class. He always encourages us to speak even if we make mistakes. He says, "Mistakes are steps toward success." His words make me feel strong and confident. In English class, we read stories. We ask and answer questions. Sometimes we play learning games. One day, I acted as a king. I was shy at first, but later I was happy. My friends clapped for me. That day, I felt confident. After school, I come home. I eat lunch. Then I help my mother. I water the plants. I clean my study table. Flowers make me happy. They remind me to grow slowly every day. My mother smiles when she sees me helping. Helping her makes my heart feel warm. Then I study. I finish all subjects. Then I practice English. I read a small story. I learn 5 new words. I make sentences. Sometimes I read to my mother. She claps for me. Her clap feels like a reward. It gives me energy to learn more.
I also watch English cartoons. I watch Doraemon and Shin-chan. I listen to how they talk. I try to copy their words. It helps me improve. Learning becomes fun. I also watch English songs with subtitles. I try to sing along slowly. This helps me pronounce words better. Sometimes I pause the video and repeat one line many times. I enjoy the process because it feels like a game. At night, I sit with my father. He asks me to tell a short story in English. I speak slowly. He listens carefully. He smiles and says, "Very good." I feel very happy. His smile gives me confidence to try again the next day. On Sundays, I clean my books. I arrange my bag. I make a weekly plan. Planning helps me stay organized. My plan is: read English every day. Write one small story. Speak English to myself. Listen to one English video. I also write a diary. I write about my day. It helps me remember words. I also note new sentences I learn. My diary is like my small English friend. I have dreams. I want to speak English fluently. I want to travel to many countries. I want to meet new people. I want to learn about many cultures. I believe language connects people from different parts of the world. One day, I want to be an English teacher. I want to tell children, do not be afraid. Mistakes help you learn. I want to teach with love. I want to help poor children. I want to give them free books and pens. I want to make learning easy for them. My teacher says practice makes you perfect. So I never skip my practice. Even when I feel tired, I read a little. This is my promise to myself. My friends, listen to me. If I can learn English, you can too. Do not feel shy. Do not worry about mistakes. Practice every day. Practice makes you better. One day, you will speak confidently, and you will feel proud of yourself. Thank you for listening to my story. Keep practicing. Keep smiling. Keep speaking English. Your journey may be slow, but every step counts. See you again. Bye-bye.